Hey there, my name is Amy Caroline, and I'm about to go meet with one of our developers, Antoine, to talk about IoT, Internet of Things, and also the point of sale app. So, come on. Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
Can I talk to you for a few minutes?
Sure.
So thank you for taking a few minutes to talk with me. I was actually wondering about the Internet of Things IoT app. So what has changed for version 14?
This year we mostly refactored everything. So
mostly refactored everything.
Yeah. We didn't add much new features, but we changed the way it works. So it would be easier for partners and developers to support new device.
Mm-hmm.
So before to support a new device, you had to work on the IoT box itself. Now you can just push the code on your server and it will download automatically to the box. Okay, so it's quite easy. It's not a lot of lines of codes.
Okay, so it's improved on the usability.
Yeah,
overall.
Mostly for developers to make it easier and faster to add supports.
Okay, cool. And you also worked on the point of sale application as well.
Yeah, right.
So what has changed in that app?
We added a lot of features that people were asking for, like the point of sale is now responsive, so you can use it on a tablet. A lot of people do that in restaurants, for example.
Right.
We added also a product configurator, so you can just select a product and it will show a pop-up that will ask you what color it is, what size, and so on. And we work on usability, so you can see previous orders easily now. You can reprint a ticket. You can you can manage a lot more things from the interface of the point of sale than before. Before you had to go to the back end of Odoo and just do everything from there, and now you can do it from the point of sale itself. So the cashier can do it himself.
Right. Okay.
From
so also
the
it
shop.
helps with usability as well, and saves time for the people working on it. Oh, that's really cool. And so out of the point of sale application, what was one of your favorite things to work on?
In the point of sale, I like the product configurator because I feel like that's something really useful for restaurants too. Like if you want to order a meal, then you can configure it. And so it was nice seeing that people will really need it and
that you can have a real impact. And you mentioned that actually this was a feedback from some of our users.
Yeah.
So when you guys look for future versions or things to improve, does it mostly come from user feedback, or do you also have ideas internally? What does that process look like?
We kind of have both. There are some features that we get a lot and we want to implement them. But when we have a nice idea, we also think about it ourselves, and if people are okay with it, we just develop it.
Okay, so the point of sale and IoT teams, so it's kind of one grouped team. There are 5 of you, so you must have a close idea of exactly what's going on with both applications. So considering that, what has been one of the most challenging things to implement?
The responsiveness of the point of sale was kind of tricky because we had to change everything and a lot of people were working on it at the same time. So it was kind of hard to coordinate and make sure that we didn't change the same things or
so everyone chooses the same thing to work on. Some favorites between the team. And so actually since the pandemic as well, everything has been moved to working at home. How is that with the team collaboration?
It didn't change much.
Okay.
It was a bit complicated with IoT because we only have a limited amount of devices. So if someone takes it home, nobody can use it anymore in the team. So
then they're the dedicated person for that device.
Some people were in charge of the skills, and if there was a bug or something to develop, they did it, and some on the printers and so on.
Okay. Cool. Well, thank you so much for taking some time to chat with me. It's really interesting, but I will let you get back to work.